This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify. We'll begin by guiding you through the initial setup of your online store, ensuring you have a solid foundation. You'll learn how to add your first products, manage inventory, and configure essential store settings. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to launch a successful e-commerce business, making the process straightforward and accessible for everyone. Next, we'll dive into managing your products effectively. You'll learn how to upload high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and set pricing. We'll also explore Shopify's theme options, showing you how to customize your store's look and feel to match your brand. Organizing your products into logical collections will enhance the customer shopping experience, making it simple for them to find exactly what they need. Now, let's cover the critical aspects of payments and shipping. We'll guide you through integrating secure payment methods, ensuring your customers have a smooth checkout experience. You'll also learn how to set up various shipping rates and delivery zones. Finally, we'll touch upon essential marketing strategies, like discount codes and email capture, to help you start promoting your store and reaching a wider audience effectively. To wrap up, we'll focus on managing your orders and understanding your store's performance. You'll learn the steps for fulfilling orders, from packing to shipping, and how to handle returns. We'll also show you how to use Shopify's built-in analytics to gain insights into sales and customer behavior. Finally, we'll explore the Shopify App Store, highlighting how additional apps can help scale your business and enhance its capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.